programming language. We will go through the step-by-step process of creating a program that can perform basic arithmetic operations on two numbers entered by the user. The code we will be using is beginner-friendly, and we will explain every line of code in detail. Number 1 equals eval, input, enter the value of number 1. Number 2 equals eval, input, enter the value of number 2. Operator equals input, enter the operator, plus comma dash comma asterisk comma forward slash. If operator equals dash. Result equals number 1, number 2. Elif operator equals plus. Result equals number 1 plus number 2. Elif operator equals forward slash. Result equals number 1 slash number 2. Elif operator equals asterisk. Result equals number 1 asterisk number 2. Else. Result equals error, invalid operator. Print, result equals result. Run this program. Plus comma dash comma asterisk comma forward slash asterisk. Result equals 6. Python program is a simple calculator that takes input from the user for two numbers, number 1 and number 2, and the operator they want to use, operator, and then performs the calculation based on the operator. The first two lines use eval, input, to take input from the user for number 1 and number 2. The input function takes user input as a string, and eval is used to evaluate the string and convert it to a numeric value. This way, the user can enter a number as an integer, float or any other numeric type, and the program will recognize it as such. The third line takes input from the user for operator using the input function. The user is prompted to enter one of four possible operators, plus, dash, asterisk, or slash. The next few lines use if-else statements to determine which arithmetic operation to perform based on the value of operator. For example, if the user enters, as the operator, the program will subtract number 2 from number 1 and store the result in the variable result. If the user enters an invalid operator, such as caret, the program will set result to the string error, invalid operator, to indicate that there was an error. Finally, the program uses the print function to output the result of the calculation, which is stored in the variable result, to the console. Overall, this program is a concise and effective way to create a simple calculator in Python that can perform basic arithmetic operations on two numbers. It demonstrates the use of the input and eval functions, as well as if-else statements to control program flow based on user input. It can serve as a useful starting point for more complex calculator programs or other projects that involve user input and arithmetic operations. Overall, this video will provide a comprehensive introduction to building a simple calculator in Python. It will be beginner-friendly and will aim to explain every aspect of the code in detail. The video will also show viewers how to set up their development environment and how to run the program. By the end of the video, viewers will have a basic understanding of Python programming and will have created a useful program that can perform simple calculations.